Good morning everyone, it's Melissa here. Today we're going to be planting up these herbs that I have behind me into this beautiful container that I have right on the table back here. Now this container is actually going to go into my house, in my kitchen specifically, because these herbs I'm going to be using when I'm making things for dinner. So specifically I'm going to be talking about spaghetti because that is actually what I'm pinpointing today. Now, normally when I'm making spaghetti, I end up using just, going down to the store and getting that shaker of Italian seasoning and pour it on my sauce and voila, it's done. But the last time I made homemade spaghetti, I actually ran out. Now, I contemplated, should I just run to the store real quick, get some more Italian seasoning, or just come out to my yard and collect what I have. Now, in my yard, I do have basil and rosemary and thyme and oregano, and I used that in my spaghetti and it was actually so delicious. Now, I know that doesn't surprise anybody, but it surprised me because the freshness tasted absolutely amazing. So that sparked an idea, and I decided all the ingredients that are in my Italian seasoning, the shaker from the store, I'm going to actually put it in my planter here, and that way it's just going to burst the flavor. And I'm excited because I've never made it before, and I'm probably going to end up making it for dinner tonight because it's something I'm really excited about. All right, so the herbs that I'm going to be planting up today, look at it, isn't it beautiful? So the herbs I'm going to be planting up are savory, marjoram, basil, sage, thyme, oregano, and cilantro for garnish. Now the recipe also calls for rosemary, but I actually have a lot of rosemary planted in my yards, and rosemary is an evergreen for me here, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to leave that there, but everything else I'm going to go ahead and plant up in this pot, and we're going to see how it turns out. And it really was just as easy as that. I'm so excited to actually take this in, put it in my house. This project has really put a smile on my face, and I think that everything you do in your home and in your garden should always put a smile on your face. So I hope you get out there and put a smile on your face too. Have a good day. Bye.